Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound in your Skoda Fabia's infotainment system? You're not alone. These are the top complaints. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, a hard reset might be necessary. Disconnect the car battery for 10 minutes. For frozen screens, software glitches are often the culprit. Make sure your system software is up to date via Skoda Connect app or USB. If you're getting no sound, check for loose connections or blown fuses. Water damage to the amplifier can also cause this. DIY fixes can void warranties, so consider professional diagnostics if issues persist. Keep your Skoda Fabia's infotainment system running smoothly with regular updates. Download official firmware from Skoda's website and transfer it to a USB drive. Install the update while safely parked. Always back up your data first. If an update fails, a factory reset via a dealer tool might be necessary. Avoid unofficial updates, as they can cause system failures. Be aware of recalls. Skoda issued a recall in early 2025 for older models with MIB2 systems due to faulty touchscreen modules. Check if your car is affected. For persistent problems or concerns about warranty, schedule a visit to your local Skoda dealer for the latest information.